In this video, we will delve into the significant changes in air travel expected in 2025, focusing on new airport rules that every traveler should be aware of. Our purpose is to inform you about these updates to help you navigate the evolving landscape of air travel smoothly. Staying informed is crucial, as being unaware of these changes could lead to unexpected fees and frustrating delays at the airport. We aim to equip you with insider knowledge that can enhance your travel experience, ensuring you are well prepared for your journeys ahead. By understanding these new regulations, you can travel with confidence and ease, making the most of your adventures while avoiding common pitfalls. Join us as we explore what's on the horizon for air travel.
The enforcement of Real ID regulations will significantly impact travelers, particularly those who may not possess a compliant form of identification. Without a Real ID or a valid passport, individuals may face the consequence of being denied boarding on domestic flights, leading to unexpected travel disruptions. For instance, consider the case of a traveler who arrived at the airport. Therefore, it is crucial for all travelers to check their ID status well in advance of their trips. By ensuring you have the proper identification, you can avoid unnecessary stress and ensure a smoother travel experience. The Department of Transportation has established new passenger rights that significantly enhance protections for travelers. One key aspect is the compensation available for delayed or bumped flights, which mandates airlines to provide financial reimbursement for significant delays and involuntary bumps from overbooked flights. Additionally, airlines are now required to offer 24/7 customer service, ensuring that passengers can access assistance at any time, whether it's for inquiries or issues that arise during travel. This improvement aims to make the travel experience more manageable and responsive. We encourage viewers to familiarize themselves with these rights and to file claims when necessary. Understanding your rights as a passenger is essential, as it empowers you to seek the compensation and support you deserve during your travels. Travelers often encounter significant challenges when seeking customer service, primarily due to the frustrating digital maze many airlines have created. This complex system can deter claims, leaving passengers feeling lost and overwhelmed as they navigate automated responses and lengthy online forms. To improve your chances of a successful resolution, it's crucial to document all interactions with customer service representatives, including dates, times, and the names of those you speak with. Keeping a detailed record can provide valuable evidence if issues arise. If you find that your concerns remain unresolved, consider filing a complaint with the Department of Transportation. This formal action can help escalate your issue. The devaluation of airline miles has become a pressing concern for frequent travelers, as award seat availability has changed dramatically and often without notice. Many airlines have shifted their policies, making it increasingly difficult to secure seats for flights that were once easily accessible. For instance, travelers may have noticed significant increases in the number of miles required for popular routes, with some flights now costing thousands more miles than before. This trend can leave loyal customers feeling frustrated and undervalued. To mitigate the impact of these changes, we encourage viewers to use their points sooner rather than later. By booking flights while availability is still favorable, you can maximize the value of your miles and ensure you get the most out of your loyalty rewards. Airports are implementing new silent boarding procedures, marking a shift from traditional loudspeaker announcements to screen-only updates. This change aims to create a quieter and more pleasant environment for travelers, but it also comes with its challenges. For instance, one traveler missed their flight because they were unaware of the boarding time change, relying solely on the absence of announcements. This cautionary tale underscores the importance of staying vigilant in this new system. To avoid similar situations, we advise viewers to check the screens regularly for updates regarding their flights. Being proactive and attentive to the information displayed can help ensure you don't miss important boarding calls and can navigate the airport experience more smoothly. Stay informed and enjoy your travels. New restrictions on smart luggage equipped with lithium batteries have been implemented to enhance safety during air travel. Travelers should be aware that luggage with non-removable batteries is generally prohibited in the cabin, while bags with removable batteries are allowed, provided the batteries are taken out and carried in the passenger compartment. The key watt-hour limit for battery safety is 100 watt-hours. Any battery exceeding this limit may not be permitted on the aircraft. To avoid complications at the airport, we encourage viewers to check their luggage thoroughly before heading out. Ensuring compliance with these regulations can save you time and stress, allowing for a smoother travel experience. Stay informed about these rules to ensure your smart luggage meets safety standards. Recent mid-air incidents involving power banks have led to new visibility requirements for these devices during flights. The primary reason behind these rules is to enhance safety and ensure that any potential hazards can be quickly identified by cabin crew. Passengers are now advised to keep their power banks in their carry-on luggage rather than checked bags, as this allows for easier access and inspection if necessary. Additionally, it's crucial to store power banks in an easily accessible compartment during the flight, as they may need to be shown during security checks. Being prepared for inspections is essential. Having your power bank readily available can help streamline the boarding process and ensure compliance with airline regulations. Stay informed and travel safely.
AI-powered security scanners are transforming the airport experience for travelers, but they can also lead to unexpected challenges. These advanced systems are designed to analyze bags more effectively, yet they may flag everyday items that travelers typically consider harmless. For example, common items like electronics, toiletries, or even certain food products can trigger additional scrutiny, resulting in delays during the screening process. To minimize complications, we encourage viewers to pack simply and avoid bringing unnecessary items that could raise red flags. By keeping your luggage organized and straightforward, you can help ensure a smoother passage through security. Being prepared for inspections and understanding how AI scanners operate can significantly enhance your travel experience, allowing you to focus on your journey rather than potential hassles. Pricing discrepancies for solo travelers have become a notable issue in the airline industry, as many airlines may charge more for solo bookings compared to group reservations. This practice can lead to frustration for individuals seeking affordable travel options. For instance, Delta Airlines has been known to implement a pricing strategy where solo travelers face higher fares, particularly on popular routes, which can significantly impact their travel budget. This discrepancy often stems from airlines optimizing their pricing models based on demand and occupancy rates. To navigate this challenge, we advise viewers to check prices with multiple passenger counts when booking flights. By experimenting with different configurations, you may uncover more favorable rates and ensure you get the best deal for your travel plans.
The new biometric boarding process at airports is revolutionizing the way travelers embark on their journeys, but it requires individuals to enroll in biometric databases beforehand. This enrollment typically involves providing facial recognition data, which is then used to streamline the boarding process. One of the key benefits of pre-enrollment is the ability to enjoy a smoother travel experience, as it allows for quicker identification and reduced wait times at security and boarding gates. However, travelers who do not enroll in these databases may face potential delays, as they will need to go through traditional identification checks, which can be time-consuming. To avoid unnecessary stress and ensure a seamless travel experience, we encourage all travelers to take the time to enroll in biometric systems before their next flight. In this video, we highlighted the importance of being aware of new travel rules that can significantly impact your journey. From changes in air travel regulations to the latest updates on biometric boarding processes, we encourage viewers to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and updates, ensuring you're always equipped with the latest information. Additionally, we invite you to share your own travel experiences in the comments section, as your insights can help foster a community of informed travelers. Engaging with our channel not only enhances your travel knowledge. Thank you for watching, and safe travels!